What's up, world? I decided to do a little quick tutorial as far as how to show you how to purchase a SaylorMoon token inside of the Trust Wallet. I already have my BSC. I already have my BNB on the BSC, so I don't have to worry about going through that process. You can go to my previous video to show the advantage that you don't have to buy BNB and then switch it over to Smart Chain. You can just buy it directly to the Smart Chain, and it's an easier process than converting over. So anyway, here we go. I already got, you see I already have it in my wallet, so I'm just gonna get a little bit, not much, just to show you how to do it. Okay, go to D apps, Pancake Swap, get your slippage at 12%. Yeah, I said I would get a little bit just to show y'all how to do it. Yeah, see, boom, boom. Yeah, it's just a little taste. I already got a $500 million, so satisfied with that. I guess once I get some more of my, whenever I decide to cash out my Doge profits, I get a little bit more if it's still profitable at that when I decide to do it. Anyway, there's your SaylorMoon right there. Already got it. Bam. Swap it. Approve it. If you're on the BSC scan, I'm not gonna worry about that. It's gonna. I'll just wait until it shows up. Okay, you see the balance went down, so that means I have it. And there it is. That's how you purchase SaylorMoon token inside of the Trust Wallet. If you like this tutorial, you can show me some love by donating some whatever inside. The links that I have in my description, you can donate to them. Until next time.